Ever typed in QuickBooks payments and then free right after, like you're trying to sneak a peek at a secret menu? You're not alone. We've all been there, squinting at pricing pages, trying to decode the fine print that seems to be written in ancient accountant hieroglyphs. Is it free? Are there hidden costs? Are we about to accidentally sign up for a lifetime subscription to, well, let's just say, something we don't need? Let's be honest. Small business finances can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. You're juggling invoices, payroll, expenses, and trying to keep your head above water. And then you stumble upon QuickBooks payments, promising to streamline your life. Sounds amazing, right? But then the questions start bubbling up. How much does it actually cost? Are there hidden fees lurking in the shadows, waiting to pounce on your profit margins? We've all heard the siren song of free. Free trials, free shipping, free consultations. But in the world of business, free often comes with an asterisk the size of Texas. So, let's cut through the marketing fluff and get down to brass tacks. We're going to dissect the QuickBooks payments pricing structure, break down the different payment options, and finally answer the burning question. Is QuickBooks payments really free? Or is it more of a free-ish situation? First, let's establish the basics. QuickBooks Payments is Intuit's in-house payment processing solution designed to integrate seamlessly with QuickBooks Online. It allows you to accept various payment types, including credit cards, debit cards, and ACH transfers, directly within your QuickBooks platform. This integration is designed to simplify your bookkeeping, automatically matching payments to invoices and reducing manual data entry. Now, here's where things get interesting. The core functionality of QuickBooks Online, the platform you likely need to use QuickBooks Payments, is not free. You need a subscription to QuickBooks Online to even access the payment processing features. So, in that sense, QuickBooks Payments is intrinsically tied to a paid service. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, though. The free aspect that people often latch onto refers to the setup of QuickBooks Payments. There's no upfront cost to activate the service within your QuickBooks Online account. You don't pay a monthly subscription fee just to have the ability to accept payments. This is where the confusion often begins. However, just because there's no setup or monthly fee doesn't mean it's completely cost-free. Like any payment processing service, QuickBooks Payments charges transaction fees. These fees are the cost of processing each payment. And these fees vary depending on the type of transaction. Let's break down the most common transaction fees. Credit card transactions. When you accept credit card payments, whether it's a swiped card, an invoice payment, or a keyed-in transaction, you'll incur a percentage-based fee plus a fixed fee. The exact rates can fluctuate, but generally, you're looking at a percentage of the transaction amount plus a small flat fee. For example, you might see something like 2.4% plus 25 cents per transaction for swiped or invoice cards. Keyed-in transactions tend to have higher rates, often around 3.4% plus 25 cents. ACH transfers. If you're accepting bank transfers, ACH, the fees are typically lower than credit card transactions. This is because ACH transfers are generally considered less risky. You'll usually see a flat fee per transaction, often around 50 cents to $1, with no percentage-based fee. Instant deposit. QuickBooks Payments offers an optional feature called Instant Deposit, which allows you to get your funds deposited into your bank account within 30 minutes. This convenience comes at a cost, typically a 1% fee on the deposited amount with a maximum cap. So, to reiterate, there's no monthly fee for the service itself, but you will pay transaction fees for each payment you process. Now, let's address some common misconceptions. Misconception 1. QuickBooks Payments is cheaper than other payment processors. Not necessarily. The cost-effectiveness of QuickBooks Payments depends on your business and the volume of transactions you process. While the integration with QuickBooks Online can save you time and streamline your bookkeeping, the transaction fees might not be the lowest available. It's crucial to compare the rates offered by QuickBooks Payments with those of other payment processors to see which one offers the best value for your business. Misconception 2. The fees are fixed and never change. Unfortunately, payment processing fees are subject to change. Intuit can adjust its rates, and credit card companies can also modify their interchange fees, which can impact your overall costs. It's essential to stay informed about any changes to the fee structure. Misconception 3. Instant deposit is always worth it. While instant deposit can be beneficial for businesses that need immediate access to funds, the 1% fee can add up, especially for high-volume businesses. Consider whether the convenience of instant access outweighs the cost. Misconception 4. QuickBooks Payments is the only payment processor that integrates with QuickBooks. While it is the native Intuit service, you can integrate other payment processors through third-party apps and through the developer API. Depending on your needs, exploring these alternative options could be worthwhile. So what's the verdict? Is QuickBooks Payments free? The answer is a resounding no, but with a caveat. It's not free in the sense that you can use it without incurring any costs. You will pay transaction fees for each payment you process. However, there's no monthly fee to use the service itself. Here's a simple analogy. Think of QuickBooks Payments like a toll road. There's no fee to enter the toll road, but you pay a toll for each mile you travel. Similarly, there's no monthly fee to use QuickBooks Payments, but you pay transaction fees for each payment you process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.